So now we realize that, as Warburg said, cancer cells don't need oxygen for their growth. And he showed data that, he can take all the oxygen out of the system, and these tumor cells were still growing fine. And his argument was they replaced their oxidative phosphorylation or energy through respiration with energy through fermentation. Fermentation is energy without oxygen. And he said that they were muscles, and our cancer cells are producing lactic acid as a waste product of the fermentation process. So as a result, but what Warburg was saying that you have to replace energy. So without energy, nothing will grow, period. That's the key basis of all of our life existence. Without energy, we die real quick. And you want to know how fast we can die? If people drink cyanide, you die real, real fast. It poisons complex 4 in the mitochondria, shuts down electron transport, prevents oxygen from binding to electrons, and your whole body just shuts down instantly. Your brain dies, your heart dies, everything dies. Anything that's linked to oxidative phosphorylation dies real quick, except the cancer cell. So so Warburg said, cancer cells are resistant to cyanide. I said, whoa, this is, so they don't need oxygen, and they can live in cyanide. And I said, whoa, what the hell is this? But he said a long time ago in the 1920s, they were showing this kind of thing. They would take a rat that had a tumor, and they would inject the rat with cyanide, and the rat would die instantly, but not the tumor. You could take the tumor out and grow the cells, and culture was fine. The tumor was resistant to the cyanide. And he said that's because they're oxidative phosphorylation. They have replaced oxidative phosphorylation with fermentation.